China's transferring of its vaccine production technology is vital for Serbia and shows China's willingness to share its scientific achievements to help the world fight COVID-19, Serbian scientist Jelena Begovic told Xinhua on Saturday. Begovic, director of the Institute of Molecular Genetics and Genetic Engineering of the University of Belgrade, said that Chinese vaccines will soon be produced in Serbia. The construction of a brand new production facility for Sinopharm vaccines started in Serbia on Thursday, and will be completed by the end of March 2022.
China has a significant contribution, and they're demonstrating that we have to share. In case of these big disasters that we're facing, this human touch and this share of technology knowledge, technology transfer is crucial. Either we will learn it today or we'll have to learn it in near or mid-term future. But sharing is definitely something that I can see. This is something that is really helping Serbia to go faster in technology and in science and in medicine.
Around a year ago, Begovic participated in the construction of 2 new FireEye laboratories for PCR testing, and witnessed China's assistance to Serbia in medical supplies, expert advice and vaccines.
We built 2 laboratories, Huayan laboratories for high-throughput testing, PCR testing of corona. So I'm really very, very impressed and very thankful and very happy that our collaboration is continuing on this level.